आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. The question says that give a possible explanation of each of the following. First one is there are two NH2 groups in semicarbazide. However, only one such group is involved in the formation of semicarbazone. Okay. Semicarbazone is a reaction of semicarbazide with carbonyl group. Okay. So first let me draw the structure of semicarbazide. Double bond of NH. Okay. So question is telling that only one NH2 group is involved from the three nitrogens, okay, and it have two NH2 groups. One is here and one is here. So only one will participate in the formation, not all two. Okay. So the reason behind is that when this oxygen will shift, pi bond will shift on the oxygen, so this carbon will get positive charge. Okay, this carbon get positive charge, and nitrogen lone pair will come and participate in the formation of pi bonding to stabilize the carbon. Okay. So now it will have NH2 with a positive charge, double bond carbon, O negative, NH, NH. Okay. This can be taken in a way that this pi bond when shift again to nitrogen, so either oxygen negative charge may come or this nitrogen lone pair can also come. Okay. So we have one another structure also here, H2N, single bond C, O negative, double bond NH positive or NH. Okay. And in the last structure, this pi bond will come back, negative charge come back here, and this will again shift to the nitrogen. So you can see here that the lone pair of nitrogen of this nitrogen and this nitrogen are in resonance with the carbonyl group, but the lone pair of this nitrogen is not in the lone pair. Okay, so lone pair here is completely localized. It is completely localized, and the lone pair electrons of these two nitrogens are delocalized. Okay, and this is the reason. Delocalized have less electron density and will be less nucleophile. Okay, so now I am writing the explanation. The NH2 group attach directly to carbonyl group, carbonyl carbon will be in resonance, and hence electron lone pair of nitrogen will be delocalized, and it will not act as a only the NH2 not attached to carbon, not attached directly to carbon, will act as a nucleophile because it is not in resonance. So this is the explanation. Now moving towards the second one of it, it's telling that cyclohexanone forms cyanohydrin in a good yield, but 2,4,6 trimethyl cyclohexanone does not. So in second we have telling that cyclohexanone, that is this structure, and one structure we have here, that is 2,4,6 methyl cyclohexanone. Okay, and we are reacting with it with HCN support. So the CN will be here nucleophile, okay, and nucleophile attack a electrophile, okay. So when electrophile is going to be generated, when this will shift to oxygen, it will becomes negative charge and this carbon becomes positive charge in both the cases, okay. It gets negative charge and it will become positive charge. But in case of first, you can see here, the CN negative can easily approach the carbon to attack. But in second case, it will not able to attack, okay. The reason is that it is sterically clouded. It is sterically clouded. So CN will not able to approach the carbon. That's why it is less reactive or not. So I will write the reason here. Due to presence of three methyl group, three methyl group, the nucleophile CN does not attack due to steric index in 2,4,6 trimethyl, but hexanon is not sterically clouded. So CN will attack easily. Okay, this is the reason. Now come towards the next question of it, that the organic compound with a molecular formula C9H10O form 2,4-DNP derivative, reduce Tollens reagent, undergo Cannizzaro reaction on vigorous oxidation, 2 benzene dicarboxylic acid. Identify the compound. Okay. So second we have a compound in which, so the compound B have molecular formula C9H10O, okay, and it is giving DNP test, okay, it is giving DNP test, it is reducing Tollens reagent, and it is giving Cannizzaro reaction, and on vigorously hitting, it is forming 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. So what is DNP test? DNP test is given by carbonyl group. Just remember this one. Okay, how it will react we will discuss. First we will go for the structure of this compound. So it will have a benzene ring, okay, and we have 3 carbon extra, okay. So how to attach this carbon on a benzene ring, we will look for that. So DNP test is given by carbonyl group. Tollens test is only given by aldehyde. Okay, so it confirms that our group will be aldehyde, carbonyl. Okay, and the Cannizzaro reaction, it is giving Cannizzaro reactions, and Cannizzaro reaction is only given by a carbonyl group which not have alpha hydrogen. Okay, let me show you what is DNP test. In DNP test, what happens? Suppose we have carbonyl group and we have DNP, that is NO2, and here will be nitrogen, NH2 and NH2. So these 2 hydrogen will go with oxygen, okay, and this nitrogen directly combine with the carbon. So this is form a compound, carbon double bond nitrogen, NH2, and remaining portion will be of DNP, that is NO2 and NO. So it is given by carbonyl group. In Tollens reagent, what happens? The carbonyl group present should be of aldehyde only, okay? Should be of present of aldehyde. It will get oxidized to form an acid with twice AgNH in basic medium. So it will oxidize this group into C double bond O negative and form Ag plus. Cannizzaro reactions are given by groups which not have alpha hydrogen. Suppose we have one benzene with CH. So this will get oxidized to C double bond O negative, and one will get reduced to be in alcohol. Okay. So these are the reactions given by following reagents. So it confirms that we have a aldehyde. Okay. So it have aldehyde. So one carbon will form an aldehyde. This is the confirmed by this Tollens reagent, DNP test, and Cannizzaro reaction. Because this aldehyde present here will not have alpha hydrogen here. Now we have remaining two carbons. So how we will have to attach these? So it is telling that on vigorous heating, it forming 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. So these two carbons should be at 1,2 position. So one aldehyde present. So this will present at the second position, that is C2H+. Okay. So this is going to be form compound. Why I have taken ethane here? Because when we do the heating with KMnO4, vigorous heating is called. Okay. Suppose I have here C double bond OH, I have here CH2 CH3. So KMnO4 oxidize the carbons which have alpha hydrogens. Okay. So this will get to oxidize into acid, and this carbon is also going to oxidize. All the carbons attached with benzene get oxidized into acid. So it will become C double bond O negative. Okay. And this carbon will also go C double bond O negative. No third acid is forming. It means the second carbon is attached with this carbon. Okay. So this confirms the ethane formation. This is the compound. 2-ethyl benzyl diol. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।